This could be the car for you. The 2021 Honda Civic. With less than 45,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Experience the perfection that is the Civic sedan. Smooth, efficient, sporty, aggressively powerful, loaded with the latest technology and refined style. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, pre-collision system, moonroof, heated driver's seat, keyless entry, satellite radio, heated mirrors, adaptive cruise control, fog lamps, lane keeping assist. Refined yet aggressive, efficient yet powerful. That's the Honda Civic sedan. All it needs is you.